It's about time that Bitcoin tested a range high or range low from the inauguration day, because since that day, with the range low of 99.5 and the range high of 109.8, we have been trading sideways since. So this is the first time we're finally testing out of this range. And the fact that we're seeing a range low test and liquidity sweep is very bullish. We're also getting into a bullish crossover on the daily. So if this wants to swing down and hold support as an LRC test and a confirmation of support, we could see a really nice move up, especially if volume continues to inflow. When you look at this from a 4-hour perspective, we are still in a bearish crossover as well. So you want to see this go bullish before we really start to pick up trend and move up if we start to go into the upside. And looking at this from a daily perspective, we are in a bullish crossover. We tested LRC support. We can see this liquidity sweep in a high volatility fake out zone, which is playing out so far. That's something that's very common to see when price is going bearish, but the trend is going bullish. Now, even though volume itself is outflowing, we are starting to see a little bit of an uptrend in this volume, which is good. But all in all, this bullish hold on the 1 day, if we can get that confluence on the 4-hour and 1 hour and start to all push in bullish crossovers, that's going to be a great long-term trend for Bitcoin moving forward. One thing to keep in mind though, we are looking at a regular bearish divergence. You had higher highs in price action, and then you had lower highs in the MACD. Technically, you would have a double top if you're looking at this from actual candle closes, but if you're looking at this from the highs of the wicks, you're going to have higher highs and an all-time high creation at 109.5 on inauguration day. And from that point, you had that regular bearish divergence, so it would be pretty common to see price swing down from that point. And when you go to the macros, you can see daily is red, but if you flip this to volume change 24 hours, you can see lots of green. Bitcoin 265% up, Ethereum 180% up, XRP 376% up, Solana 137% up, Doge 264% up, just to name a few of them. So there's a lot of money inflowing into the market. So what that's telling me is that short retail traders, short-term traders, leverage traders, people that don't necessarily understand the market, that are maybe freaked out, got taken out, maybe stop lost, maybe they got liquidated, whatever it may be. But the smart money, the longer term money, the volume flow is inflowing right now. So price action is going to be reactive, volume is going to be proactive. You could also tie in this whole DeepSeek AI thing to kind of play into the markets and kind of play into why you could see price action dropping, because that could just be everything playing into the market, because the market judges the book by the cover. So it's going to be very reactive to what's going on, aka because that news is out, it's going to put itself into the price and it's going to adjust price accordingly to that FOMO and to that fear. But obviously people don't care that much from a long-term perspective because the volume is still flowing. If you want to get these macro updates every single day, go check out the EPIQ Trading Floor. You can get a 3-day trial and it'll give you access to everything. And there are 15 seats left until price goes up. So if you want to grab one of those seats, definitely make sure to click that link above or click the link in the description, start your free trial. And then from there, you'll be able to get access to these macro videos. So I hope everyone has an amazing morning, afternoon, or evening. Happy trading, and I will see you around.